I really hope that you all are very good and you all are doing very good in your lives. And it's going to be a very random video of an off day of mine. It's my off day today, and I'm telling you that in the morning I've literally made a full list, like a full to-do list, that I will do this, I will do that. But then I just took a moment and I had a word with myself and I thought, let's just be relaxed and let's have a word with you normally. Sometimes I just think, when we had a normal time, I don't know what should I call it, I just thought to have a normal moment today. I guess you guys have already seen through my thumbnail and my title that my YouTube is monetized today. First of all, I'm grateful to you all, and I am very much thankful to you all to this moment. This is all because of you. I'm nothing without you, without your support which you have given me. Tremendous love I have received from you all. I on daily basis I'm getting so many messages on Instagram. You are doing very good, and you please keep supporting us, and you please keep guiding us. And I literally want to convey my heartiest thanks to all of you who are sending me messages, who are literally supporting me, who are literally taking their valuable time out and watching my content on YouTube. It's been two and a half months since I started my YouTube channel. I remember it's the very next day of my father's birthday when I created my YouTube account. 21st of November, it was my father's birthday, like last year 2023. So on that day, I don't know what just clicked into my mind, so I started that YouTube channel. For that, I literally didn't know anything about YouTube. What is YouTube content, how it is being created, how you can upload it, how you can grow from it. I literally didn't have any idea, so I binged on YouTube for like 4 to 5 hours, I remember, on that day. So I thought create a YouTube channel on my father's birthday. I started the process, and it literally took 2 days for me to complete that process, because when I see my description, it's like on 22nd of November my channel was there. So it took literally 2 days for me to set up a YouTube channel, and this is the channel which you are watching. So it's been 2.5 months, and you guys have given me literally unexpected response, because of which only my channel is monetized now. After that, there's another side of that monetization word as well, which I'll tell you later. Today I just want to have a very mentally satisfied conversation with all of you. I want to tell you this thing, that when I made my first video, and when I tried to share it with everyone else in my contact, in my in my known, so people were sending me messages that, why you are doing it? Are you not satisfied with your job? Are you not satisfied with the salary? It's not like that. I'm very much satisfied with my job and the money I'm making in my life. And basically I'm very much satisfied of me, of whoever and whatever I am doing in my life. But these comments cannot really stop you from doing anything which you want to do in your life. I feel if you are a chemistry teacher, you just simply take Hindi book and start reading it. It's completely okay. I am a nursing officer, but someday if I want to read a geography book of 6th standard, I literally do that. I feel it's completely okay. It's okay for you if you are a football player and if you want to sing a song and record it and upload it on wherever, on which platform you want. If that is making you happy, you should definitely do it. If you are preparing for your exams, like let's say DSSSB is coming and you are preparing for that, but someday you want to read something else which is just not related to DSSSB, you can do it. Because let's say you are studying, we are always saying keep studying, but sometimes you are like, bas yaar, or I cannot do it anymore. So if anything which will take your mind to a good direction, to a good note, then there's no harm in doing that. You can definitely do that. If you are a working person, let's say you are on a very good post, but you wanted to do content creation, you wanted to be a fashion blogger, you can definitely do that. If that is making you and your mental health happy, you should definitely do that. I feel if I compare physical well-being and mental well-being, you should always opt your mental well-being, because if you're mentally fit, you are mentally happy, your physical well-being will definitely affect. And if you are physically fit, you have that six packs and you have that slim, slim waist, and you have that perfect figure, but you are not mentally happy, your body will impact a lot. Your body, your whole life, your day, your routine. If you are, I woke up in the morning, I was in a very great mood and I was in a very happy zone. I created a full to-do list. Whatever stuff you might have in your life, I might have in your life, I have created a full list, and I am in a very, in a very good motivating mood. I'll do everything. But if I am not happy, something is pinching me in my mind, something is constantly, triggering me in my mind, that will not let me doing anything. Like, I will not even eat my food peacefully if I have something in my mind. So I feel along with your physical exercise, your mental exercise is equally important. That's something I wanted to talk about today. So you start figuring out that what is making your mental well-being fine. I had made a full list, as I told you in the morning, that I will do this thing, I will do this thing, but I don't know why that was not making me feel so much happier. That is why I decided I will take a moment, I will be quiet, I will be relaxed, I will not, think, I will not be upset about things which I wanted to do and I could not do. Just celebrate your day, just celebrate your outfit, just celebrate your beauty, just celebrate your smile, just celebrate everything you have in your life at this moment. Sometimes we just don't realize that what all we have. There are persons who are not able to eat food in the morning. I woke up very late, it was my off day, as I already told you, so there was no rush in me ki I will get up at 6 a.m, I will get up at 7 a.m. There was no rush in my mind for today. So I decided to wake up whenever I want to. So I woke up at around 9:30 or 10 a.m. Then I was totally relaxed. I had my tasty brunch. I took a full thali and I just thought for a minute, I am so grateful. I'm literally, this has happened in the morning with me. I was feeling literally grateful after watching on my thali of what I was about to eat. But people are not having the same kind of food which you are having. So just grateful of every small thing you have in your life. And I'll tell you a secret. I try to make a to-do list. With every point, I always mention be grateful at least 10 times a day. In my every to-do list, you will see that. Every to-do list. Be grateful at least 4 times a day. Be grateful at least 5 times a day. Because that actually is making me happy. In life, there was a time when I was doing my private job, I was only getting 13,000, and you won't believe, in the metro only I was spending more than 4 or 5,000. So you just imagine what I was saving and what I was spending and what I was investing. So, but then again there was a time when I was earning double of that. I was earning 30,000. Then again a time came when I was earning double of that amount. So in life, you won't be satisfied ever. You are earning 20,000, you will feel like I want to earn at least 30,000. If somebody will come to me and will ask what is your salary, what will I say? Just 20,000. At least it should be 30. You all have thought like this, because I also have thought like this. We will never be satisfied with anything. If you are having a cycle, you wanted to buy a scooty. If you're having a scooty, you wanted to buy a car. If you have already bought a car, you wanted to buy a big car. If you have already bought a big car, you want to own 2 cars. So it's just increasing day by day. But where is that satisfaction? Where is that happiness? Where is that? So that's what I'm telling you. There's no harm in thinking big. There's no harm in planning your career, your goal. But the important thing is, feel satisfaction in whatever you have. Just feel happy in every little thing you are doing. Feel good. Just feel satisfied in those small things you are doing in life. And literally, trust me, if you will start living your day like this, your days, your life, you and yourself will be much more happier, much more satisfied, and much more worthy. You just take a day, start focusing on you, your happiness, your beauty, your health, your mental health, your goals, your career, your parents, and their happiness. That's it. So that's all for this video. And again, thanks to you. Thanks to all of you who have made my channel monetize. So a very, very thanks to you. Bye-bye.